Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can archive emails in Gmail. So let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to open Gmail application on your device. Now press and hold on any email that you want to archive, just to select it first, and then this icon will appear at the top. You need to tap on it, and as you can see, one archived. Now, how to find the archived emails if you want to read it again? So you need to tap on the three lines here, then tap on all emails. Here you will find all the emails that you have archived, even the email that is still in your inbox. So here, as you can see, it is written inbox, but against this one, it's not written inbox. That means it is archived email. So if I want to press and hold again and then tap on the three dots here, I can move it back to inbox. So guys, this is how you can archive emails in Gmail. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.